Damn, what the fuck? Awesome vlog ulit. Drill. Mamaya ko na yung shit. POV driving on the fucking West Service Road, bruh. Yes, sir. Give me this shit, bruh. Give me this shit. Biglang may sumusulpot ng mga motor. Alright, fuck man, it's traffic. And we need to gas up. So, ayun. Pag-gas lang tayo 2K. For Suzy naman, so it's worth. You know what I'm saying? And sakto. The gas prices just went down, pero hopefully may XCS pa, since the two Petron stations that we went to wala na daw XCS, pero I think it's a scam. Fuck them, bro. They just wanna, you know, business is business, bro. Fuck them. Take a space na one car away. At naman yata sa Philippines, iwas tayo sa ganon, bro. We're gonna go to the gasoline station, Eco Oil.
May 95 na kayo, boss? May 95?
Ba?
May 95 available?
95 meron po dito.
Ayun, boys. May 2,000 dito sa Eco Oil. Kung may malapit man na gas station with 95 octane, just take it na lang, no? Say, bro, I don't have fucking fuck. I need to gas up Suzy kasi baka magtampo to sa akin. Never ko na ulit pina full tank after the war, you know what I'm saying? So yeah. Running 7.3 kilometers per liter. So dati 6.5 lang to. Pero ayan, W for Suzy. So focus lang tayo sa West Service Road since daming sumusulpot dito eh. I'm running on its OEM specs, which is good. Pwede naman din tayo mag 18s, pero wala akong pera eh. Ganun lang naman yun. Kung may pera tayo, boys, diba? Siyempre mas uunahin natin yung maintenance ni Suzy, drivability,